Well, good morning, GTR boys. We are back with another video, and I wanted to just do a quick update. I've got the new set of black calipers in for my SPL Racing GTR big brake kit. These are the AP Racing Radical 4-piston fronts. They're matched up with what will work with a 370Z 14-inch sport brake rotor setup, so you can just mount 370Z rotors on them and they'll work. This is my SPL Racing two-piece lightweight high carbon rotors. So if you guys are looking to upgrade your old broken crusty GTR brake kit and take your braking to the next level, this is the perfect place to start. But let's take a look at the black. You can see they look really nice, all in black. Really clean look. And in today's video, I also want to mount the wheel on, so make sure you guys wait for that so we can kind of get a peek at them. Here's the brake line, how it all connects in there. But they look super clean. Super aggressive looking. I like the, it's more of like a sleeper look compared to the red. Personally, I like the red on my car. That's the color I'm gonna keep for myself, but logoing looks nice. And I'm super happy with being able to pick up a set for these. And if you guys are wondering if this is compatible with all the GTR chassis, yes it is. My brake kit is designed to work with the Nissan Skyline R32, R33, and R34. If you guys haven't seen my previous install videos, I'll put links in the description as well as tags up above. Make sure you guys check that out if you want to get a more in-depth, detailed look at the brackets, the installation, the hardware, and everything that's involved to make this kit what it is. I originally was only planning on selling the red set, and that's what I was going to just carry on my website, but so many of you guys reached out to me, DM'd me, said, hey, you know, what other colors can I get? I want to get black, or I want to do this, do that. AP Racing only offers 3 colors, so those are the colors I'm going to stick with: red, black, and then they have silver. I'll throw that up on the screen. Silver, they don't make them that often, so as soon as I can get my hands on when they make a batch, I'll probably order up a couple sets, but I'm not sure when they'll come in. Red is the easiest to get, black is the second, and then silver is the hardest. But here's the back. It looks really nice. And then the rear rotor is also 370Z. It's a 355 millimeter, 13.8 inches by 20 millimeters. So this will mount right up to that. This is the 2-piece lightweight speed performance lab. These are my rotors that I had made, but black caliper works perfect. You guys can see how tight all the tolerances are. Pads line up perfectly, just like the red ones did. The back caliper is repainted. We have it, you know, professionally painted after we do all our machining and stuff like that to make it work with our brackets and everything that needs to be done. The front ones, those are factory paint from AP Racing in their factory. So we do our best to match that. And I think it looks pretty aggressive. The black set, if you guys are interested, these are actually already sold. I had like a customer email list, essentially people that reach out to me on my website. So I have inquiries for people. I didn't even get a chance to post any of these brake kits because I'm going through my list. So you guys will have to let me know with the audio quality and the view quality. I recently picked up the new Sony Alpha 7 V and the new DJI Mic Pro 3, and that's what I'm using to create all the videos on my channel moving forward. Trying to step things up. And for anybody else that wants to shoot car content or car vlogs, I'll have links in the description down below for the equipment I use if you want to do something similar yourself. So this black set is going to go out to Kendry. Kendry, thank you for allowing me to film this video. I talked to him ahead of time about it because I wanted to test fit this new batch just to make sure everything lines up, make sure everything's within tolerances, and that when everything goes out to my customers, everything fits the way it's supposed to. So I'm taking some pictures and some video with this, and then I'm gonna box it up, get it shipped out. But Kendry, thank you so much, man. I hope you enjoy this brake kit on your GTR. I know Dave, my very first customer, he's loving the red set that he got on his car. But enough of me blabbing, let's go ahead and throw the wheels on. Let's see what these look like, and we'll wrap up today's video. Now, the one thing I gotta be careful with is when I'm putting the wheels up, since these are a customer's brake kit, I am gonna be super careful that I don't touch the wheel on the caliper and scratch it, so. So what do you guys think with the black? Definitely more of a sleeper look. It's a cleaner look, especially when you step back from the vehicle and you look at it. It's very clean and very classy. And I really do like the look of it. Personally, I still like the red because the red is just, it's more of like a flex and it pops. So you guys let me know down in the comments down below. Red, black, silver, what do you guys think looks good? I really like the look of these, especially with the two-piece rotors. Looks super aggressive. And I've been even like focusing a lot of time and energy into packaging. So I've been trying to figure out how can we ship these things from AP Racing from the UK over safely into the US. So we came up with this design where we can fit, you know, a caliper on each side, the big ones. I can safely ship everything and ensure that my, you know, my quality standards are maintained. Nothing's gonna be damaged, both to myself as well as when I ship it from myself to the customer. So yeah, all those little things that go into running a business that you don't think of, but I'm having a lot of fun. And with all your guys' support, thank you so much. A lot of people are either emailing me or DMing me, usually like 3, 4, or 5 times a week. And it feels good to spend 18 months of my life really focusing my energy efforts into the design with SuperTech Racing and co-developing this kit, and to have it be received so well by the GTR community and have you guys support it really means a lot. So I just wanted to say thank you. And with that being said, I'll have a link in the description down below to my website. And then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I only order like 2 to 3 sets of these in at a time because these aren't inexpensive kits. So I mean, I have to throw out like $7,000, $10,000 depending on what I'm doing. And that's a lot of money for me. So appreciate the patience. I wish I could order like 10 sets at a time and have, you know, $35,000, $40,000 worth of inventory sitting on the shelf, but I'm not at the point where I can do that. So I'm gonna have to scale slow. So you guys be patient. And I'm also gonna start carrying Padgett brake fluid as well as Padgett brake pads. Leave me some comments down below. I was hoping to get some feedback from you guys. If you want something like those, I will carry them on the website. This is what the rear bracket looks like. So that's what makes it possible. These are 7075 aluminum, very high strength. And lots of time and design went into the 3D scanning, the CAD design to make this fit as well as it does. And here's a look at the front ones. The front ones are really big. I mean, look at the size of that thing compared to my hand. Super strong, very lightweight, Speed Performance Lab. That's what makes all this possible, guys. Super high quality. And I'm super fortunate to have the opportunity to partner up with Eunice over at SuperTech Racing to co-develop this kit, because all the technology that he's put into his R35 brake kit over the last 13 years basically all trickled down into my kit. And with targeting the 370Z brake rotors, it allows the flexibility for almost every GTR owner to be able to have a price point where you can step into a big brake kit without having to spend, you know, $8,000 to $10,000, which you guys know those kits are expensive. My kit is designed around the 370Z rotors because what I wanted for myself is if I take my car to the track for a weekend.
What up? I'm Dayo Shihara. Good power.
Yeah, lots of power.
And I blow through a set of rotors. I'm not coming home and telling my wife, oh, hey, honey, I got to spend $3,000 or $4,000 on a new set of 2-piece rotors. I could just go down to the Nissan dealership, spend $400, get a new set of rotors for all 4 corners for basically $100 per corner. I figured that that's where the community needed something. That's where I felt I needed something. And here we are. I'm gonna order based off your guys' feedback. So if everybody says they want black, I'm gonna order 2 sets of black. If it's kind of 50-50, I'll order 1 set of black, 1 set of red for my next batch. And then after that batch, I should have enough money in the revenue to scale up and start ordering like sets of 4. That's my goal, sets of 4, guys. So you guys that are wondering about performance testing on these, the solution I came up with my limited inventory and my engine still not being in the car and still coming back from the builder is one of my friends, Aaron, who has the R34, or no, the R32 GT-R. I sold him my HKS 2530s, my turbo elbows, my top secret titanium downpipe. He introduced me to his buddy Craig. Craig has a couple of R34 GT-Rs, and Craig is very interested in my kit. And so the solution we came up with is I'm gonna sell Craig my red calipers off my car and he's gonna do some testing on his R34. And what's cool about that is Craig lives up in Vegas, so I'll set some time aside on a weekend here, probably in the next 2 months or so. I'll go up and meet up with Craig, and we'll see his R34 out on the track, that we can kind of do some performance testing, get some data, and kind of test these brakes and show the advantages of a 14-inch rotor with a bigger caliper over the little tiny 11.8-inch stock R32 brakes, or even like the 12.8-inch R34 brakes. This is just newer technology, and it's kind of a weird point for me to launch like a brake brand kit and not have the ability to do the testing. So this will kind of be a good way for me to take care of a customer, as well as allow to, you know, go up there, do some filming and get some testing data for you guys, and shoot some video of these guys in action. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you boys on the next one. Bye.